Do countries really want peace, or do they just pretend to? Every nation stands on a stage and speaks about peace. Big speeches, big promises, big smiles. But if peace was truly the goal, why is the world still burning? Wars don't start by accident. They are planned. They are funded. They are justified with lies dressed as security and freedom. If every country wants peace, then who keeps selling weapons? Who profits from blood? Who benefits when cities turn into graves? The truth is uncomfortable. Peace is bad business. Fear is profitable. Chaos fills pockets. And we, the common people, are taught to blame each other. Religion, race, borders, flags, while the real decision makers sit far away, untouched, counting gains over our losses. So why do we keep lying to the world, and worse, lying to ourselves? Peace doesn't fail because it's impossible. Peace fails because honesty is expensive and greed is cheap. Until truth matters more than power, the world will keep calling wars necessary and peace unrealistic. Maybe the question isn't who wants peace, but who is afraid of it.